James liked to pretend. A blanket was put over his shoulders. The blanket was changed into a dressing gown. James was the new king. James wanted his mom to make waffles for breakfast. He thought that kings didn't eat oatmeal. James was sick of being king. He put the blanket on the floor and sat down in the middle of it. The blanket magically turned into a flying carpet. James made sounds like he was flying by swishing his arms. He leaned one way and then the other to make it look like he was steering. James got off his flying carpet and crumpled up the edges of the blanket. The blanket became an island in the middle of the water. James's cat turned into a sea creature. James fought the sea monster that kept trying to get onto his beach. James was hungry after the battle. He made a tent out of the blanket by draping it over 2 chairs. James asked his mother to cook hot dogs for lunch. When they went camping, his mother always made hot dogs. James got tired of camping. After eating the hot dogs, the blanket was thrown over his shoulders. This time, though, the blanket became a gape. James changed into a hero. He took hold of the edges of his gape and spread his arms. He flew around the house, looking for someone he could help. James found his sister, reading a book, but she did not want to be saved. James felt something pull at his gape. Bandit, his dog, had gotten a hold of the end of James's blanket. James grabbed one end of the blanket and pulled. Bandit pulled on the blanket's other end. During a game of tug-of-war, the blanket became a rope. James was tired, so he went to bed and slept. His blanket was turned into a blanket and put on top of him.
Never miss a video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Learn English very quickly. Hit the bell icon for notifications. Thank you for watching.